My name is Lee Vernon. I'm a San Diego County family and divorce attorney. Today I'm going to talk about Family Court Services Child Custody Recommending Counseling, also known as mediation. So here in San Diego County, if you have filed a request for order to obtain a child custody and visitation order, even if you have an old custody and visitation order and it's been over a year since you've been to Family Court Services mediation, when you file the new request for order, you're very likely going to receive a new Family Court Services mediation date. So why is Family Court Services mediation so important? Well, I'll explain that to you. First of all, the courts do not have the time to actually look and see as to the different dynamics that are going on between the parents and the homes. They will hear, yes, your argument in court, but they're not going to interview your children. And Family Court Services mediators, depending on the age of your children, they may ask to interview your child. They may ask your child what's going on in the home, and if your child is around the age of 13 or older, they may also ask your child who they would prefer to stay with. So getting back to the importance of this Family Court Services mediation session. One of the biggest things that you need to keep in mind if you have an upcoming Family Court Services mediation date is that you really want to keep the focus on what's in the best interest of your child or children for a custody and visitation order. I know it's very difficult to do when you and your significant other are not getting along, but oftentimes folks will come into the Family Court Services mediation session and they'll forget about the basic purpose of that mediation session. And they'll talk about a lot of things that aren't really necessarily relevant to the custody and mediation or the custody and visitation issue at hand. So when you're going to that session, you really want to keep that in mind. And there are actually some wonderful resources on the San Diego County Superior Court's website under the Family Law tab. There's a video that gives you a short orientation process, and it sort of explains the Family Court Services mediation process. And again, that website is www.sdcourt.ca.gov. And if you want to learn a little more in detail about the Family Court Services mediation process, come to one of my monthly seminars, free monthly seminars here in San Diego. And you can find out more information about my monthly seminars by going to www.leevernonevents.com.